हाय एवरीवन, आई एम अंकित मलिक, गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील से आपका होस्ट और दोस्त एक नया एमआर का प्रोजेक्ट लेके विच इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट इन गुड़गांव आज आपके साथ में हूँ. द नेम विच यू आर सीइंग इट हियर इज ऑफ एमआर डिजी होम्स. So today we unboxing the entire things of about the MR Digi Homes. So let's take you to the thing ahead. Along with me, I have one of the senior manager Yuvraj ji, which will brief you entire unbox you about the entire things of the MR Digi Homes. So let's enter up in the gallery and let's take the क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट द एमआर डिजी होम्स अलॉन्ग विद यू. सो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं लग्जरी ब्रांड की. जब भी कोई आप प्रोडक्ट बाय करते हो तो यू हैव द क्वेश्चन इन माइंड दैट विच ब्रांड विच क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट यू आर एंटरिंग बाय बाइंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं एमआर जैसे ब्रांड की, सो एमआर इज नॉट द इंडियन ब्रांड, इट इज द ग्लोबल ब्रांड विच हैव अ प्रेजेंस इन मोर देन 12 countries and 36 market. So here along with me I have the Yuvraj Manchanda sir. So along with me taking ahead of the journey of MR. So hi sir, how are you?
Hi everyone.
So unboxing towards the another portfolio from the MR Dubai. So what is the main USP of the MR Digi Homes which you would like to highlight in front of all the customers who just want to invest in the portfolio of MR on the golf course extension road first time?
Absolutely. I think MR Digi Homes are aspirational home, very futuristic home, which promises a customer a segment above lifestyle. And as a developer, what we make sure within an under construction property is all of the renowned players who are there to make this product a successful product. So take an example with this model. We have got the model. The entire land parcel would be about 14 acres. The group housing license is about 14 acres, which is divided into two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So what we are selling right now is phase 1, which includes 3 towers, 3 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. Height for every tower would be about 32 floors. And as I mentioned earlier, the partners which we are focusing on are landscaping partners, architect and construction partners. So if you would notice, 80% of the product is open, 65% of the product is actually the landscaped area. And if you would notice this product from this side, the entire towers, the entire clubhouse, the sports amenities, everything you would notice mostly has been built on the garden concept, right?
Yeah. इट इज़. सो सबसे बड़ी बात कि जो टावर का पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है दैट इज सबसे बड़ी बात करते हैं लोकेशन की. बिकॉज वाइल बाइंग अ प्रॉपर्टी इन द गुड़गांव इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच कम्स इन द माइंड ऑफ द कस्टमर इज ऑल अबाउट द लोकेशन. सो अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें तो यू नो द गोल्फ कोर्स रोड इज ऑलरेडी सैचुरेटेड बिकॉज इट इज नॉट एन वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज थिंग एंड अ लॉट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स हैज ऑलरेडी बीन प्लेस देयर. सो सेकंड ऑप्शन आफ्टर द गोल्फ कोर्स रोड इन द गुड़गांव इज गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एक्सटेंशन. So the location, how you can call this location of the product matters the most, and how the location of the MR Digi Homes makes it more prominent as compared to the other products which are already been there in the vicinity.
Very well said, Ankit. Ankit, I believe the location which is golf course extension, it's aspirational for the end users as well as the investors. See, you rightly said golf course road is so saturated. It's the most developed market. You don't have the land supply left over there. So entire demand would shift to the next immediate market, which becomes golf course extension road. And this sort of planning which has been laid down by the governments, which includes elevated roads, underpasses, flyovers, metro, and even the sectors roads. The sectors roads which we see over here is the widest compared to any other location in the micro market over there. We are also seeing SEZ, which is around the corner of Extension Road. We are seeing 5-star hotels coming up. Even the quality of residential and commercial projects are unmatched to any other micro market within Gurgaon itself.
और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पे जितने भी प्रोमिनेंट ब्रांड्स हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द हयात, फ्रॉम द ट्रम्प, फ्रॉम द हाइंस, फ्रॉम द एमआर, दे हैव अ वेरी बिग पोर्टफोलियो. एंड अलॉन्ग विद द रेसिडेंशियल यू हैव अलॉन्ग द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द कमर्शियल्स ऑल्सो. क्योंकि अगर हम कमर्शियल्स की भी बात करें तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो बैक टू बैक लॉन्चेस हो रहे हैं वो एक्सटेंशन रोड पे हो रहे हैं. लाइक एमआर ईबीडी इज ऑल्सो द बेस्ट एससीओ प्लॉट्स विच इज सिमिलर टू द सेक्टर 29 मार्केट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आज की डेट में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हमारे डिजी होम्स के 3 टावर में, जिसमें टावर ए, टावर बी एंड टावर सी हैं. सो व्हाट आर द कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस वी हैव हियर सर फॉर द दीज टावर्स, टावर ए, टावर बी एंड टावर सी?
So Tower A, we have all of our 3.5 BHK. It's a beautiful 3 bedroom which comes with a half bedroom that can be utilized as a study or a co-working space. The sizes are 2567 square feet and 2588 square feet for a 3 bedroom. The other two towers which are B and C, we have a single size of luxurious 2 bedroom which is 1508 square feet, right? And to get a better, understanding of the product, we have got the sample apartment ready for 2 and 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, so let's have a look of the luxurious sample of from the portfolio of MR Digi Homes. So unboxing today the most premium, the most demanded 2 bedrooms and the 3 bedrooms plus servant combination from the portfolio of MR Dubai. So let's take the things ahead, sir. So we are entering on the sizes. We are unboxing the 2 sizes of MR Digi Homes. The first sizes is for the 2 bedroom and the another size is for the 3 bedroom. So this is a type of the lobby experience which the people would get in the MR Digi Home, sir, which we are currently standing currently.
Right, so lobby area would be similar, though it would be completely different in terms of the layouts. What we are trying to show over here is how the apartments are going to look and feel, right? So the apartment is the main focus over here, because for 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom, the lobbies are going to be different because of different towers. So that is separately explained in the brochure. Right now we'll focus on the sample apartment right here.
So let's move and unbox the 2 bedroom 1508 square feet sample of the MR Digi Homes today. So let's begin, Yuvraj sir.
Right. So if you would notice, there is a smart access given by the company. There is a video phone wherein you press a button. There's a portable tablet given inside all of the apartments. The video conference could be done. Then there are biometric door locks.
तो सबसे पहले अगर आप डोर की क्वालिटी की बात करें तो आई थॉट दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हाइट in terms of the another products which are in the vicinity. The quality of this door is such a huge so that it can takes care of the fire till 6 hours if in case of any casualty or in case of any mishappening. So that is again from the safety point of view, it catches a lot of attraction for the safety point of view also, and it has the smart and the digital locking system inside the main entrance of the gate. So it has to be